Alright, so when we're dealing with a short course, we're going to want to keep our short courses down at the eave. So we do our eave the same with our gutterizer, our rakes the same with our 2x2s, and then we're going to go ahead and figure out where my straight line's coming down. So once we get that layout, we can go ahead and start from this eave line and bring it up and create that short course down at the eave. So first panel, we'll go ahead and bring it down to the eave, have my fold ups on my rakes, and then we'll fasten as normal. Down through the top on the bottom row. Get all my fasteners in. The bottom. And also the top. Then we're going to decide where that panel is going to end up on my line. And I'm going to come back with my M-seal and place my M-seal so we can sandwich this in between the two panels. Then I can go ahead and bring my next panel up where it's going to sit tight up on top here. And then we'll have my short course down at the bottom. And then we're just going to do our fasteners down through the top, sandwiching that M-seal in between the two panels. And make sure to get my fasteners down through the top as well. And then my next course, we'll go ahead and fasten down through that front nose, just like normal. Alright, so we need to finish our cap on these short courses. Go ahead and cut that cap to the short course. Make sure I'm putting my end disc on the end there. And then we'll just fasten this as normal. 1, 2, 3. So one down through the top into that 2x2. Go ahead and go on up. Full pieces per tile there. And fasten as normal. And then when we get to the top one, you can see I just notched out my panels. Go ahead and notch your cap so it fits underneath the panel. And go ahead and fasten that one into that 2x2. And then we can come up and fasten our panels down through the top on this eave line. And then just make sure you go ahead and anything through the top, these screws, we're going to go ahead and caulk those. And then we go ahead and touch up where we notched out our panel. And then come back with your touch-up granules and throw those into the caulking to dress them up.